Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Coinbase to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your LTC in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitrue and that you have some Litecoin in your Coinbase wallet. Always double-check your balances and fees to avoid any surprises. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and select the Assets tab. Find Litecoin in your list of holdings and click on it to view your balance. Next, click the Send or Withdraw button, depending on the interface in 2025, but it should be intuitive. Step 2. Before you proceed, you need the withdrawal address from Bitrue. Open a new tab and log into your Bitrue account. Go to your wallet, select Litecoin, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure it's the correct address for Litecoin to prevent any loss of funds. Now, back to Coinbase. Paste the Bitrue address into the To field in the withdrawal section. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Coinbase might ask for a network confirmation, like selecting the Litecoin network, so choose that option. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and enter your two-factor authentication if required. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitrue wallet for the incoming Lieutenant Colonel. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Litecoin from Coinbase to Bitrue. Always prioritize security in crypto transfers. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.